What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Joven and Tonic fam, Crow fam. I am back with some more bullish content for you guys in this video. Found some interesting articles and some interesting updates from Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, and some very interesting tweets from the Tonic community. And you know, as always, gonna be diving deep into Tonic and letting the people know why Tonic is such a banger of a project and why you should not fade Tonic. As always, guys, if you want to support the channel, if you're interested in anything I check out or bring to you, if you find any type of value from the content that I'm providing for you guys, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers, guys. Support my Tonic playlist, my Tonic videos. Go and rewatch them. It really helps the channel out. And if we take a look at Tonic today, up 30,611 people on the watch list, almost 31,000. These numbers keep growing, guys. I'm telling you, $23.7 million in market cap for Tonic, 20K for 24-hour trade volume, down 41%. Right now, we're in a consolidation process, guys. We're in a bit of a, we're holding the floor in a bit of a retrace. That is normal. The broader markets are doing the same thing. The stock market opened up today. We could take a look at that real quick as well. It opened up today. We're having a bit of a retrace in the markets. That is fine. Overall, though, things still look majorly bullish. And the bears that's looking for that 12K, 10K Bitcoin, they're not getting that. I really don't believe that's gonna happen. We'll see what happens in the future, guys. I remain bullish. I see, a great future ahead for the Tonic project. Even if we do retrace back down further, that is fine, because guess what? Over time, we'll still see those crazy the crazy growth in the project as a whole. Not just talking about the price, but the project as a whole with its utilities. There's still the insurance fund that is meant to be released. There's still more DeFi aspects that'll be elevated as well. There's still so much that could happen for Tonic. Future exchange listings, so much things, future partnerships, so much things could happen for Tonic in the future, guys. And I'm not ruling anything out, guys. I'm telling you. Let's take a look real quick at DeFi Llama, for example. Let's go to the Chronos ecosystem. Chronos, as you guys can see right here, $526 million in TVL, down 0.78%, overall. But Tonic right here, so much TVL, $247.7 million in TVL. As more people get onboarded to the markets, guys, I'm telling you, the crypto asset class, digital asset class in general will grow in the future. Tonic is going to be one of those heavy hitters. The Chronos ecosystem is going to be one of those heavy hitters in the space. They are a legitimate brand and company. If we take a look at last year and the companies and brands that fell last year, there wasn't any transparency, guys. There wasn't any legitimacy to their brand. How could companies grow so fast in such little time, right? The faster something rises, the quicker you get to something, the quicker it goes away. Not when it comes to the Chronos and the crypto.com ecosystem. It is a steady pace, a steady build to success, a steady growth that is gonna take place over time, guys. And that's the type of growth you like to see. That way you have a lot of stability in projects, in the floor price of projects. This is how it translates and correlates to the price of projects, right? Tonic is gonna take its time, make its moves up accordingly, right? It's not gonna just be one if it was one candle to $1 billion, $2 billion in market cap, it would be an instant dump right back down. You don't want to pump and dump from a project like Tonic or the Chronos ecosystem in general. You want it to be a steady pace to the upside with minor corrections along the way, guys. And this is why I say I will remain bullish on Tonic from what I'm seeing It's a great utility use case DeFi project. It has great fundamentals. It is fundamentally sound. It follows the broader markets. It follows Bitcoin to a T. You've seen that in all of my previous videos. So when the market starts getting bullish once again, and then we add catalysts on top of everything, like exchange listings, more partnerships, you know, system, the Chronos ecosystem develops, project like Tonic will do absolutely go absolutely bonkers, right? And you know, if you compare it to other DeFi projects and their blockchains, there's a lot of top DeFi projects with billions of market cap, and Tonic being the Chronos, the top #1 DeFi project on Chronos right now as we speak. It's only, you know, it only has major potential to get to those, you know, insane levels in the future as the TVL increases and more people get into the ecosystem, right? Zegomatic.cro, Tonic trading sideways, seems like we got rid of the shorters. What's the next logical step? No, 1x Tonic equals 1.64 Tonic. APY is now at 3.41% for staking. I really like what Zegomatic posted here. Seems like we got rid of the shorters. What's the next logical step? As the project develops, we're gonna get the, you know, short-term holders out of the project, right? The people that don't really believe in the project, they're gonna exit accordingly, and the long-term holders are the ones that's gonna reap the rewards. And that's just a fact with any project. You know, anyone that has made, you know, crazy gains in this space, they've been in projects for a good amount of time. You know, it takes them a year, 2 years for them to see that you know, those type of crazy gains, right? Those life-changing gains. It takes time, guys, and it's just for you to, you know, master your patience. Keep your mind focused on other things. If you have the money to invest, then you DCA into the project. You know, you dollar cost averaging at the, whenever there's a red day, you dollar cost averaging. If you already invested the amount you could afford to lose, then you just wait. From TalkStop Tips, congratulations to my brother Self-Made Decal. That's Agent 00, who now is a Tonic ambassador. He's gonna do a great job getting the word out. Shout outs to Agent 00. He's doing his best for my first act as Tectonic's official ambassador. I'm buying more Tonic. You should do too. Everything is good. Everything is a go, and I'm looking forward to working closely with the team and engaging with the community. We'll be the #1 Twitter space in due time. Shout outs to Agent 00. Interacted with him in the Discord. From Lean 6 DeFi, Tonic, in my opinion, when APY decreases on a utility token, the price trends up. The imbalance correction in general is key. Long-term hold, do your own research. Now, I know a lot of people might be upset with the reduction in APY that Tonic is putting out, but this creates, like Lean 6 DeFi says, a more, you know, stability in price, a more stable price for, you know, the price to trend up, less inflation in the tokenomics. From the legend himself, Jim Cramer, I would not touch crypto in a million years. Jim Cramer blasts dangerous $4.3 billion bailout of crypto bank. Now, when Jim Cramer says he's not touching crypto in a million years, you know how I get. I get bullish, okay? There's something called inverse Cramer, where you literally just trade against Jim Cramer and what he says, and then you see success. Whatever he says, majority of the time, he's wrong, okay? If he say he's not touching crypto in a million years, guess what I'm doing? I'm getting more digital assets. I'm getting more crypto. I'm gonna be stacking my Tonic. Because this just means, if this is not a signal for the bull market, I don't know what else is. After the dramatic collapse of FTX in November, he shared scathing commentary on CNBC on the value of digital assets and the wisdom of those who own them. I sold all my crypto. I would not touch crypto in a million years because I wouldn't trust the deposit bank, he said. If you have crypto, I'm not calling you an idiot. I'm just saying you have blind faith. Multinational investment bank Standard Chartered has cautioned investors that the crypto sector will likely continue to face challenges in early 2023, potentially leading to more liquidity issues and bankruptcies. Now right here, I sold all my crypto. I would not touch crypto in a million years because I wouldn't trust the deposit bank. He sold all his crypto, guys. Literally, guys, when these people in, top sectors of mainstream media are telling you these types of things, they're doing their best to keep retail investors out of the space. It's all psychological, right? He's saying to sell your crypto when this is the perfect opportunity to be buying, the perfect opportunity to be dollar cost averaging. You're not gonna get cheap prices like this ever again. This is the moment. Everyone that's here right now, this is your moment, right? You know when he's gonna be saying, I bought a ton of crypto, I bought a ton of this project, that project, when we're already back at the top, at the all-time highs. That's when he's gonna be saying, I bought a ton of crypto. Don't be like Jim Cramer, guys. Don't be like Jim Cramer. I'm telling you. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really appreciate all the support. You guys are the best. Got a lot more to cover, so I'll cover that in my next video. Be sure to tune into every video I post, guys. I always bring the best value I can to these videos. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Tonic and myself will be in the description, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.